Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting materials and deciding the sign's size and durability. Pick cardboard for temp, wood for lasting use, or 3mm acrylic if you want a sleek look. Once chosen, measure the door handle area. Make sure the width and clearance fit. Cut the base to size and sand edges if using wood or acrylic. While you work, prepare paints, markers, or a high-contrast printable sticker. This first step sets the foundation, so be precise and steady. Now you design the visual. Choose a clear headline like "Do Not Disturb" and add a simple icon such as a crossed door or sleeping figure to increase quick recognition. Use high-contrast colors, black on white or white on red, and set printable artwork to 300 dpi for crisp edges. Once printed or hand-lettered, align the sticker or paint on the base. Use a ruler to keep margins even. After graphics are placed, seal with laminate or a clear coat, so the sign resists scuffs and moisture. Finish by adding mounting hardware. Cut a 1/2 slot for a door handle or attach a small hook or string. Make sure there is 1/4 inch of clearance so the sign hangs straight. Test it on the door at eye level and walk past to confirm visibility. If the sign tilts or peels, rebalance weight with tape on the reverse or relaminate edges that lift. If colors fade, refresh paint or reprint. These fixes keep the sign readable and reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.